How to remove silent mode from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most practical way of removing the iPhone from silent mode is by checking the ring or silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. Move the switch in a way that the switch does not have an orange background color, and with this you will know that the iPhone is not in silent mode. Next, launch the Settings application and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure the slider for ringtone and alert volume is not set at the lowest because this might also lead to your iPhone being all silent. So put the slider somewhere in the middle or at the highest as per your preference. Also, press the volume key from the left side of your screen and make sure it is not set to the lowest. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.